Hello devs, Sid the IT guy here, and this video is a result of one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on a topic that is particularly useful to some of the store merchants, where they should be able to hide the add to cart button on the Shopify product page. So whether it's a selection of products they want to hide, or just one product they want to hide, or they want to hide the add to cart button entirely off their store, is up to them. I will show you use cases for each of them, and the products will only have the buy now button, which I think will boost the sales, and it would quickly convert the users into paying customers. So if you have a video idea like this, if you want me to cover a subject or a topic on Shopify or programming or in general, then subscribe to the channel and drop your idea in the comments down below. I'll be happy to cover that. And with that out of the way, let's begin. So if you followed one of my last videos where I showed you how to add engraving option, then it would help you straight away. Otherwise, you can just jump to main product.liquid, which is on the so we have opened up the Shopify store admin section. So on the themes page beneath this online store button, we will click the customize button, and after that we will just click on the three dots here and click on edit code. And when on edit code we hit it, we get something like this. We would just go to main product.liquid inside the sections folder. So inside this I have added a CSS styling here, which is basically display none for the button that has these properties, and this is all you need in essence to hide the add to cart button. So now if I go to, let's say, this product and I refresh, then the add to cart button isn't visible anymore, it's just not there. Now if I go back here and so if we remove it, and now hit refresh, then the button is back here. So this is particularly the 3 lines of code you would need to hide the add to cart button. Now the second use case would be some targeted products where a particular set of products should not show the add to cart button, the rest of the products can. So what we will do in this case, we will just make use of the product tags. So we will just put this condition here, same way as we did for engraving. So we will just do buy now. So then we will just close it off like this, hit save, and now if we refresh, then we don't see the add to cart button. But if we go to some other product, like let's say this one, then we do see the add to cart button. Now why is that? Because in the admin section for this particular product, blue jeans, if you scroll down, I have added this buy now tag here. So this tag is determining whether this product will have the add to cart button or not. So you can have any tag you want, just target it on the theme file here. It should match this value, and that would be it. Now the third use case that I want to go with is providing you a functionality on the app that I'm working with. As you've been aware if you've been following my channel since the beginning. So we will create a use case out of that. So let me start up Laragon. Okay, so let's open up Shopify project.test. So let's open up Shopify project.test that we have been working with, and the GitHub repository for this project will be in the description box below. Please be sure to check that out. Okay, so it seems like my access token got expired, so I switched to Sid checkout extensions store, and that is what the products I'm seeing here. All right, so if I go to products, then you will see this. Cool. All right, so let's build a function where we would, if we click on the particular button for that particular product, then it will be a put request to Shopify API, and it will remove the particular tag from the product, so it will be available for adding it to cart. Please be sure to check that out. And here we have the project that we open up, and products controller. Shopify controller class products. Okay, so here we are in the index blade. There we go. So then inside the table we will add this button right here. Okay, so then we will have this change product add to cart status. Then we will have products controller class change product add to cart status. And we will name it the same thing we did here. And after that, in this we will get add to cart status. Okay, cool. So let's say in Shopify controller. Okay, so we have that. Cool. So in models, in product, public function, get add to cart status, return this arrow tags. So we will return the class btn primary. Yeah, this should be good. For some reason this terminal doesn't work for me anymore. I had to use this terminal. Can we select tags here? Yeah, we can. So then, so now as we see, we have the tags showing up here. Now we will decide if the buy now tag is in here, and if it is, then it will show enable add to cart functionality, otherwise it will show disable add to cart functionality. So we can write that logic here, and let's write it. All right, so if strlen this arrow tags greater than 0, else no tags found, remove add to cart. Explode this tags if tag not equal to null and is array tags and count tag greater than 0. Now what is the base tag that we are targeting here? Target tag equals buy now. Return status false. Remove add add to cart. If in array target tags return status true message enable add to cart, else return status false message remove add to cart. Right, so we have that, and then after that we can just do message. Let's see what happens. Yep, so we have this. Cool. After that we can go to index blade and we can do question mark product ID equals product table ID. Can we do that? So we have to add this table ID. Refresh. So we have product at 54, 55, 50. Cool. So let's write this out. Web.php, we will take this. Products controller, we will write this function, public function, this request exception e. So if I click this, then I will receive a product ID 55. So we can have that. If request has product ID, let me zoom in for you so it will be easy for you to follow. If request has product ID, then else return back with error, please select a product equals, I'm sorry, user equals auth user, store equals user arrow get Shopify store arrow get products where table ID equals request arrow product ID first. So then let's see if we receive any product or not. We do. So let's see, get add to cart status. So status equals get add to cart status. If data status exactly equal to true, else remove it here. Tags equal to product tags. Okay, so target tags by now, I think this has come up more than one time now, so I will take it from config custom dot add to cart tag product. So let's open custom.php. We will add another thing here. So add to cart tag product, you will say buy now. Yeah, so then we can be if in array config custom dot this tags array push I think I messed up here. Yeah, cool. So basically what we have done here is exploded the tags to reveal the array, and after that we have checked if the tag that we are targeting is already in the array or not, and if it isn't, then push it in the next index, and at the end just implode it again to make it a string. Make it a string of tags, and if here, then no tags present, so just take the one that we are already targeting. Okay, so cool. So if it is true, then the tag is already present. Just remove it from the tags and update the product. Cool. So we will do that. If in array for each tag as key arrow tag, if tag equals target tag, then unset tags key. Yeah, that should do it. And at the end tags equal implode tags. Okay, so at this point now we have our tags that we want. So we will just do a put request on Shopify's product and that would be it. So endpoint would be get Shopify URL for store product slash product ID dot JSON store. So let's see. Yeah. Set checkout extensions product slash product ID dot JSON. Cool. So then we will do headers, get Shopify headers for store, this thing. Payload would be JSON encode product ID would be product tag ID, tags would be tags, so we can see what the payload we are sending. So in product there's an ID and there's a tag. Yeah, so here we have buy now. Cool. So we will do response equals make a equal to Shopify. We will do put request to endpoint null headers payload, and let's see what the response comes back. Now when I do this, I have to open the store that I was working with. Products, we will do the archived snowboard. Yeah, here we go. So let's see what response we get. Okay, so it says this thing is missing. So should I remove the okay, so now it is 200. It says product and the tags do say buy now. So if I there is no tag called buy now here. So if I refresh, now we have buy now tag right here. And after that, if I go back and we'll do if response status code is that and response status code equals 200. Yeah, so we will do return back with success. Status changed successfully, else turn back with error. Not successful. and in that case we will just log info response from Shopify API call response. So now that status has changed successfully, so do I have a job for one product? Nah, I don't have it. So we will just do product. Cool, this will work. Let's see. So if I hit remove add to cart, okay, so maybe there was a problem here. Cool. So there was a simple problem with the space, so that's done. So now this product says enable add to cart, this says remove add to cart. Okay, so what we will do now, in this online store I will click themes, customize it, so this one has a buy now tag to it. So if we preview it, there we go, we don't have a add to cart button right here. But if we see any other product that we have not, let's just close it out. Like let's say this one, draft snowboard, if we preview it, then we do have the add to cart button. Okay, so this was quite fun to build. Make sure to pull the main branch in your system when you are trying this out. Make sure to go through the code and ask me anything if you found doubtful. If you have any doubts, don't just hesitate to comment down below in the comments section. Okay, so I am wrapping up the tutorial here. There are 3 use cases that you can build for. If you have any kind of doubt, if you're stuck anywhere, if there's some portion that you did not understand from the video, please be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And while you are there, consider hitting the subscribe button so it helps me with the YouTube algorithm and everything. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.